Mastering Skatepark Lingo. Understanding, drop in on the ramp. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating aspect of English language learning, understanding specific phrases and their contexts. In this video, we'll explore the phrase, drop in on the ramp, a term widely used in skateboarding culture. Whether you're a language learner or just curious about English phrases, this video is for you. Let's break down this phrase and see how it's used in real-life scenarios. Drop in on the ramp is a phrase that originates from skateboarding. It refers to the action of starting at the top of a ramp, skate park bowl, or half pipe, and then moving into the slope to gain momentum. This term is not just about the physical action. It symbolizes the skater's readiness to embrace the challenge and the thrill of skateboarding. The phrase can be broken down into two parts. Drop in. This suggests the initiation of an action, where drop metaphorically represents a sudden or decisive movement. On the ramp specifies the location where this action occurs, typically a skateboarding ramp, which is designed for performing tricks. Skateboarding culture is rich with unique terms and phrases, and drop in on the ramp is a prime example. It represents more than just a skateboarding maneuver. It embodies the courage and determination required to face challenges head-on. In a broader sense, this phrase can inspire us to take the plunge and tackle new experiences with confidence. Understanding such phrases enriches your English vocabulary and gives you insight into the cultural nuances that make language learning exciting and dynamic. When learning English, it's important to know how and when to use specific phrases. Drop in on the ramp can be used literally when discussing skateboarding or metaphorically to describe taking a bold step in any aspect of life. Here are a few examples. Literal, he decided to drop in on the ramp for the first time and nailed it. Metaphorical, I was hesitant at first, but then I just decided to drop in on the ramp and apply for the job. Understanding the phrase, drop in on the ramp, offers a glimpse into the vibrant world of skateboarding culture and highlights the importance of context in language learning. We hope this video has shed light on how specific phrases carry both literal and metaphorical meanings, enriching your English language journey. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful videos. See you next time.